Welcome back to the CelebrityPage.com West Coast newsroom. Our first responders have always been essential, but this year we have learned to appreciate them in a whole new way. They are today's hometown celebrities.
Another hurricane, another challenge, another disaster, another emergency is the last thing any one of us wanted to face.
What a year 2020 has been.
Not only have we lost over 50 people to COVID, we're starting to lose our young men to gun violence.
From the pandemic to the protest to wildfires to hurricanes.
The evacuation orders are still in place. That has not changed since about midnight.
October 28th set aside as National First Responders Day, but this year, perhaps more than ever, every day is First Responders Day.
Airlink is helping tackle the COVID-19 pandemic.
Stars like Harrison Ford doing what they can to make sure our heroes have the personal protection equipment they need. But with so many ongoing crises, it's clear the real stars are those on the front lines working day and night to keep all of us safe.